You're tuned in to Fly Channel. This channel brings you futuristic views and a new way to see the world. Whoom. Ready to fly? Fly, fly, fly. Shh. Ignition.
Kicks hit the ground like a drum in the air. Wind bites my face, but I'm not scared. Signs I can't read, but they're calling my name. Every turn feels like a spark in a flame. Colors explode where the sidewalks bend. Strangers with eyes that could turn into friends. Buildings that hum with the tune I don't know. Pulling me faster, I'm ready to go. Every breath is gasoline, feeding the fire under my skin. I'm leaping into places I've never been. Let the ground disappear and the noise rush in. No map, no chain, just the thrill in my chest. This is the way that I feel my best. Steps on the edge where the skyline breaks. Laughing out loud at the moves I make. Echoes of life in 1,000 shades. Each one a chance that I won't trade. Every beat is lightning now. I'm not slowing down anyhow. I'm diving through the streets I've never known. Let the air spin me around, let my spirit grow. No fear, no frame, just the rush through my veins. This is the way I break all my chains. Oh, every mile is a dare. Every shadow hides something rare. I'll chase the sound, I'll taste the air. I'm already there.
You've been tuned in to Fly Channel. Another horizon reached, another moment shared. Whew. Until the next flight. Fly, fly, fly. See you. Bye-bye.